What's up, Faith family? Jarvis God and Void Jarvis YT here, and welcome back to another Diecast review. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Kana, which is a train from the Thomas and Friends All Engines Go TV series. Now, this particular permutation right here is from the Fisher-Price line of Thomas and Friends vehicles, and this is a metal engine, so we're going to get that nice metal texturing with this. So that should definitely help it score when it comes to the build quality. So without further ado, we're going to unbox this, and then I'm going to get my thoughts on it. So let's get right into it. Jeez, it's a pain to open these things up. I always forget my box cutter. Here we go. Free this thing. And here we have it. This is Kana. Now, I don't watch the show, and I really don't care about Thomas and Friends, outside of like the commentary and analysis YouTubers like Unlucky Tug. So I don't know who the hell this is, and I'm not going to be doing the research to find out. But from what I've gathered, this is some sort of Japanese vehicle, so it's like a bullet train. The design is all right. I mean, the build quality, like I said, is pretty good. You have just metal all over the vehicle. It's what the toy is primarily composed of, and you also have a transparent segment up here. Is that transparent? Yeah, it's just barely transparent. But you can see through that, and, you have a decent amount of printing right here. And just a multicolor rainbow thing going on the side, which, all indicators of pretty excellent build quality, much better than the other Fisher-Price Thomas the Tank Engine toys that we've gone over. This doesn't really connect up to the other vehicles that well. I can take out the Percy vehicle real quick. There's no front hook like there is on the Percy or Thomas vehicle, or a lot of the other ones, so you can't link it up in this way. But there is a hook on the back, so you would be able to hook Percy or any other engine with a front hook up there, and you just have like a daisy chain, and they're all going along, and you can recreate your own adventures from the shitty TV show. But either way, yeah, I will. Oh, crap. Either way, yeah, I will contend the build quality is excellent, but like with the last two Thomas the Tank Engine reviews I've done, my opinion or my ability to review this is compromised by the fact that I do not give a damn about the shitty show that this is based on. I really don't care enough to like go in depth, and I can't compare this to any other like Thomas merchandise because I'm not gonna buy that. I can't bring myself to do it. I literally just bought this for this video, and I'm forcing myself to record this right now because I know this is going to be successful. I know that people are going to click on this. It's just, I don't care enough. The build quality is nice, but in terms of like anything else, I can't give that to you because I do not care about the character or the show, and I'm really having a hard time caring about the franchise. It's like, this isn't even like a real review. This is not like a real review. This is just me jabbering on about the train because I know that there are enough people, dumb enough to actually watch this and dumb enough to watch it up to this point to give me that retention. It's just, I'm really just really cynical about just Mattel's entire, brand strategy. Look at the Hot Wheels. Just look at like the super treasure hunts, how people are tearing up stores to buy those. It's just like, what? And you have like Thomas the Tank Engine where, I mean, you have a certain amount of kids buying the toys. I mean, that's never really going to stop. But there are also the adults who just like compulsively buy this crap and watch the crappy TV show. It's just, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Either way, that's really all I have to say about this. I think I already gave a summary a couple minutes ago. Good build quality, but I don't care enough to comment on anything else about this. But either way, that'll be it for this video. I've been your host, Jarvis Gotten. Stick around for more Diecast content, and as always, giggity giggity, giggity goo. Stick around.